Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to track your credit card spendings on Bright. Tracking your credit card spending on Bright helps you to stay in control of your finances and to avoid unwanted debts. First, open the Bright app and log into your account. From the home screen, tap on the credits or cards section. Select the credit card that you want to review. You'll instantly see an overview of your spendings, including your current balance, available credit, and recent transactions. To dig deeper, tap Transaction History. Here you're going to find a list of all of your purchases, payments, as well as any interest or fees charged. Use the filter or search options to sort transactions by date, category, or amount. This makes it easy to monitor specific types of spendings like groceries, dinings, or travel. For better organization, Bright automatically groups your transactions into categories but you can also add custom tags or notes to any entry. To get a quick visual of your habits, go to the Spending Insight tab. This section shows monthly trends, top categories, and spending comparisons over time. Keeping an eye on your usage not only helps your budget but also improves your credit score when managed well. If this guide helped you understand your credit card activities, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Bright tutorials just like this. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.